Yeah, the reason why I decided to do something about my hair loss and address the problem was my hair was my trademark. You know, playing cricket out in the field for so long and having an active social life off the field, it was very important to me to keep a full head of hair, so that's why I went and saw Advanced Hair Studio. Yeah, it's great to have a full head of hair again, so to go through the procedure again, yes, absolutely.
Real people, real hair loss, real stories.
I was really concerned about losing my hair because I'm an actor. I saw the playback on a particular scene at the back of my head, and I noticed that it was a lot thinner than the rest of my hair. So I thought, I've got to do something about it now. I chose Advanced Hair Studio simply because of the reputation. Don't wait for it to go. Don't wait for it to disappear. Just do it now. The confidence that I lost when realising that I was losing and my hair was thinning, I've gained now tenfold.
I decided to do something about hair loss pure and simple for confidence. I mean, I just wanted to have the confidence to do my work, whether it be tennis coaching or whether it be presenting. I just wanted the confidence to be able to do both. When I first had a full head of hair, it was unbelievable. You got to understand, I'm 5'7". I literally felt 6'7". The customer service that you get from you when you first walk in, and the results are there to see. All you have to do is just look at my hair. Now that I have a full head of hair, I definitely go through the same procedure because the results are there to see. It was never painful. It was never uncomfortable. Yeah, I'd do it again and again.
When I looked back at the footage on Dancing on Ice and I looked at the overhead shot, I saw kind of thinning and almost a little bit of a bald patch where the lights were bouncing off. It was just around this part. That's where the problem area was. So I didn't like what I saw and I knew it was time to do something about it. I'm on the TV every week. Imagine having sequins, the spandex, everything else, and then a bald patch. It wouldn't quite marry together. So that's when I picked up the phone and I dialed Advanced Hair Studio. And I'm proud to say that, yeah, I've used Advanced Hair Studio and it's worked for me.
We all like to look good, and I think having a full head of hair is really important in terms of looking well.
And it gives me confidence just in everyday life, and it's nice to have a nice head of hair to style now rather than a bald head.
I sought the help of Advanced Hair Studio and now have a full head of hair again. If you have a hair loss problem, don't leave it any longer.